Again, this is how to install WordPress. Okay, when you bring you to this page, we are here to install WordPress. Set your admin username, set your password, copy them somewhere that is safe, and then click on install. And then the magic starts to happen. What you are seeing right now is that WordPress has started to install on our website. So let's be patient while the installation is going on. So I said there are two ways you can get into your WordPress dashboard. You can click this link. If you click this link, it will take you directly to your WordPress dashboard. But on the other way around, the easiest way to go to your WordPress dashboard, just type on your domain name, Bukola dot loves to blog .com/WP admin. Just your domain name /WP admin. It will take you there. So to bring you to this page, and then the first thing you do is to go and check this and bring it here. So your name is admin, your username is admin, and then your password, you paste that password that we pasted there. So this is very, very important that you don't lose that password, or else you'll not be able to get into this place. You're welcome to WordPress. So this is where we want to start doing our magic. So I can save this password in case of next time. Okay, you can save it because I know that most of us would like to practice. So this is where we are going. This is our destination tonight. So this is you want to make a post. This is where you will start making a post. This is where you will, this is where all your pages are. So it's live already. Did you see that? This is what we call a website. You see your website. This is your website. Are you happy to see your website? This has to be the website, okay? But this is just, that's why I told you that a website is just a plain page. It is your themes, the themes you use, it is the plugins you use that gives it all the functionality.